What is going on, guys? FRITO here. I know you have not seen a vlog in a while, and I've just been, my same excuses. But actually, my recording software has been acting up for a while now, and I've gotten new stuff, and I cannot get anything to work, and I'm kind of in the head. So that's why you have not seen any new gaming videos put up, and I apologize. But this is an update on kind of what I've been doing and what I'm going to do. I'm going into a charitable donation called Seroptimus, and I'm building a shelf. And I'll show you kind of a picture right now of what it's supposed to look like and what I'm doing right now. So I got my wood pieces cut out and my stain, more wood pieces. And I'm going to start putting everything together, and hopefully it turns out okay. And I'll show you guys the end results. And I just don't have anybody to, hold the camera up while I'm trying to be here. But this was my sample piece that I was going to do, the color of it, kind of grayish. So I got to go out and I got to stain all those boards and all those boards to this color. And try to make it like a cool bookshelf. I don't know. Do it yourself, but I can't record because it's kind of hard to stain. While, I guess I could. I mean, that'd be, can't stain it. Anyways, guys. Thank you all so much for your support. I love you all. And I'll pick up right when I get it done. Boom! What's going on, guys? So I finally got the woodworking project done. I'm sorry I've not been playing any games. Just been busy and stuff like that, my usual excuses. But I'm going to show you the wood shelf, and I've been working on it for about 2 weeks now. And I'm slow on everything, so it makes sense, right? So here's the shelf. So I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, it's going to a charitable, place, Fairview Christian Church, and all the money goes to their proceeds. So, trying to be nice here. My channel's growing like crazy, and I thank everybody and leaving the comments, nice comments about my videos and stuff. I can't say thank you enough, and I love you guys. I can't do I'm holding the phone, but you can finish the half the heart right there. Okay. Thank you guys so much. I love you all so much, and I hope you guys are having a great 2020. Love you guys. Bye.